Welcome back to the channel, everybody. In the last video you guys saw, we finally got the STI put back together with the issue resolved. This car should give us no issues driving anymore. All we have left to do right now is to bleed the coolant system. When I got this car started last night, it was a little bit too late for me to be bleeding this coolant system. I did not want to bug the neighbors too much. So I decided to wait off until this morning. So we need to go ahead, get the car on, get the coolant bled, and then this car is ready to drive. There are a few things I'm wanting to do as well. I was told that my headlight would not fit, but I'm going to see if I can get it to fit somehow, because the weather hasn't been the best and I would like as much protection in front of the turbo as possible so we don't suck in any debris. But also, our good friends at TurboGuard sent me something. They sent me a new 5-inch TurboGuard with my Instagram @ on there, which is amazing. I also did get the tighter knit guard. As you guys can see, that hex is quite big and can still take in some large debris. So for most of the driving, I want to have this TurboGuard on because this will have the most protection. So the headlight does in fact fit. It is just, the only issue I'm seeing is I have two of my wires that are very, very close, touching pretty much the hot side of the turbo. So I need to figure out a way to get those wires away from the hot side so it doesn't melt those wires and destroy these headlights. But it does clear the turbo just fine, so. And here we go. We finally have this car completely done now. All the tools are off of it. Bumpers placed back in, headlight back in, and I have to say, I do really like the look with the headlight. In the future, I do want to get the headlight cut out for the turbo, but I don't like the rotation of the turbo. So whenever I do go and change so it's clocked this way, I most definitely will be getting my headlight cut out for the inlet of the turbo. I think that'd be a very clean and mean look. But she looks pretty damn good put back together. Now that we got the car back up and running, we are going to be driving a little bit today. I know Bo is going to be in my truck getting some rollers, videos, photos, all of that good stuff for Instagram and whatnot, but I'll be taking you guys along with me on its first official drive on YouTube. The only snippet you guys got was that one video on New Year's Eve when we tried to do some street hits and then we got locked out. So that was like a minute of driving. Hopefully today I can get you guys some more driving footage. So we are out right now with Bo. He is shooting the STI. We're trying to get a couple different spots today to make some cool videos for Instagram and TikTok. As you guys saw, Bo was behind the wheel. He is enjoying this car even before I got to drive it. But that is my payment for him doing all my video and photo stuff for me. And plus, we share all our vehicles anyway. So it's fun to let Bo enjoy the STI a little bit.
I'm not a weak guy, but fuck, this is heavy. don't tear after that.
More space, bitch. Well, it is now the next day from driving the STI yesterday, getting some rollers, some photos and videos for Instagram. There wasn't really much going on. It was just a lot of driving the car around. Nothing that I feel like you guys would really like to see, especially right now because I'm just doing break-in, compression break-in and stuff like that. But I hope you guys at least enjoyed seeing the STI back on the road, and this car drives amazing now. It's crazy what a proper clutch does for you when you're driving, but no complaints, no leaks anywhere. It drives amazing. The transmission feels amazing. The clutch feels amazing. No complaints whatsoever. So I have just been driving this car around for the past few days. But I think that is going to conclude this video. Might be a little bit shorter because really not a whole lot going on. It's just driving this car. But regardless, I still hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.